Welcome to another tutorial. Thanks very much for sticking around for another one. I'm trying to make them as exciting as possible, so here's a little project that I'm working on, and it's to do with interactive menu buttons in Adobe Animate, or commonly previously referred to as Flash. So first of all, I downloaded a static graphic image and then I overlaid the text that I wanted onto the buttons. Although the buttons don't do anything when you click on them, everything is there in the static image. I made the graphic a symbol and then I converted it to a movie clip. As you can see, it's in the library. So first of all, go into the symbol of the menu graphic and then create a new layer called Hit Areas, and then this is going to be the layer that you draw the rectangle objects on. Next, on that layer, take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle box over the button that you want to be your selectable menu button. I've already done it here a couple of times already in preview, and I've got the two ready that we're going to go through today. Click on the first rectangle and convert it to symbol, and then name the symbol. I'm just naming it menu play. Make sure that it's a button. Now come over to the symbols properties panel and then click on that and select instance name and change that to something that's specific. So next, with the button selected, double click on it and you'll be presented inside another timeline with the options up, over, down and hit. And what you want to do is move the frame to insert a frame on hit and have the others as no frames, like this. Now I'm just going to repeat the actions again for the next button so you can see roughly another overview. Create rectangle, convert to symbol, name it as a button, change the instance name and then change the frame type to hit. Now if we go back to the root scene, you can see that I've got a layer for the code which has a symbol on it, so you can see that it's the code, and to activate that you go to Window and then Actions. I just got my code from ChatGPT with a few refinements, and as you can see there's lots of error logs there that you can right click and inspect in the browser once you play the interactive menu. So as you can see, this is the final effect. I linked up the main menu button that shows the menu in the first place as the code and the connection, so that when you click it, it shows, and then when you click it again it disappears. So hopefully that's a foundation enough for you. It's easy enough to take things from here and go forward and make it as complex as you want and as interactive as you want. So hopefully you enjoyed that tutorial. Thanks very much for watching. Leave a comment below to let me know what kind of tutorial you'd like me to cover in the future, and hopefully we'll see a lot more Animate ones coming shortly. Okay, thanks, bye bye, have a great Christmas and the new year 2025, here we go, bye bye.